Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So today, let's take a look at the 2026 Chevrolet Colorado Trail Boss Crew Cab. This model is finished off in Summit White, and with the Rocky Ridge package, total MSRP is just shy of $68,000. So we have quite a lot of modifications for that entire package, but let's start off with some of the factory specs. So underneath the hood, you will find the 2.7 liter TurboMax 4-cylinder engine. This is paired to the 8-speed automatic. It pumps out 310 horsepower, 430 pound-feet of torque. This truck has the 4-wheel drive system. It will do 0 to 60 in around 7 seconds. And as far as fuel economy goes, you're looking at 18 in the city, 23 out on the highway, and the factory ground clearance is just over 9 inches. Now with the Rocky Ridge package, this does have a 3-inch lift kit with the 33-inch tires, so ground clearance is going to be slightly higher, of course. Up front, it also comes with this new bumper, 10,000-pound winch. There's also some lighting above that. And then you'll notice the factory lighting in the upper section, plenty of cutouts, Trail Boss logo too, and it has a high clearance bumper design to it, giving you a better approach angle. Now with the 33-inch tires, there's also the 18-inch wheels, and then that 3-inch lift, of course. There's plastic for the fender arches there. You'll notice the Rocky Ridge badge on the top of the hood. It's also at the top of the windshield there. And this also has factory rock sliders, or part of that package, to not only make it easier to enter and exit, but to give you that protection when you are off the pavement. And this is the crew cab, so you have the full 4 doors along with the short bed, where you can also see part of that Fox suspension for the rear there. You'll notice another logo for the side of the bed, and then the high clearance single exit exhaust, where this does have a remote start. So you can lock it, double tap that button, and bring it to life. In order to shut it off, just hold on that control. And then this does have a locking tailgate. So when you lock and unlock it, of course, you can gain access to the bed. Now Chevrolet is stamped in the tailgate. There's Rocky Ridge, gloss black for the bumper along with parking sensors. This can tow 7,700 pounds as well. And you'll notice the bed step on the side. There's also a grab handle up top, making it easier to enter and exit. Now this also has the soft opening tailgate, the spray and bed liner with lots of tie downs, so that way you can use this as a practical bed. And then there's also a little bit of storage in the tailgate itself, so you can easily lock and unlock those. And you also have the ruler there at the end. So you can use this as a work truck, and you have some nice features there. Now as we work our way to the interior, the door panel has a little bit of storage down below. You have the release handle, grab handle too, and the window control. And then this is an entire reupholstered interior as part of that package. You'll notice too, you have some storage under the seat for a midsize truck. That is nice to have. And then there's also storage pockets, cup holders, there's air vents too. And at 5'10", I have about 2 inches of headroom. So it is on the smaller side, as you would expect for a midsize truck, but you can place a car seat back here, your dogs. I could ride around and be comfortable. If you're not looking for a full-size truck, you can definitely make these mid-size trucks work. You have your window controls, side mirror adjustments, and then a split design for the storage, and then automatic front seats with Rocky Ridge in the headrest. Now as we start this back up, this also has some exterior lighting as part of that package with that pod on the left side. Now this has a leather steering wheel. There's volume and tuning adjustments on the back side. Cruise control settings are on the left, along with distance pacing. And then you have voice commands, the heated steering wheel, shortcuts to music, and you can go through various information within the gauge cluster. So just depending on the layout that you would like to see, you can quickly toggle between all of this information, which is nice. Now on the left side, there's a trailer braking system, a dimmer switch for the gauges, there's one air vent, and then with the infotainment system, you have quite a lot you can get into, including some off-road pages to monitor all of this information. You can get into the air down mode, which is helpful for off-roading, of course. You can get into your audio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, vehicle status, and then there's also shortcuts on this left side. So this is the easiest way to get into your headlights, where you can adjust those as needed. You have a few other settings there. There's also your phone, navigation and music. You have a split view, and then you can quickly get back to home. Now there's volume, temperature adjustments, where you'd like the air to go, heated seats, fan speed, and some defrosters. More vents with engine start stop, hazards, and lane keeping assist. There's wireless charging and auxiliaries. And then you get a few different angles for the backup camera, which is nice. Now you can also use plus and minus to shift, and then you get various driving modes too. So depending on what you are doing for the day, you can quickly adjust this as needed, get into the 4-wheel drive system. There's the e-brake, Rocky Ridge on the armrest where you have plenty of storage. There's 2 cup holders, you get storage in the glove box, another badge on that passenger side, and then some call buttons up top, including dome lights. No sunroof for this model, and then you have a good bit of visibility over both shoulders. Midsize trucks are very easy to see over both shoulders there. So there's only one mode for on-road driving, which is normal, but we do have the low range gear. So with a minor acceleration, here we go. And it's what you would expect from a truck in terms of shifting, but this is also very beneficial for towing or off-roading. You can actually hold a gear. So if you don't want the truck to go past 3rd or 4th gear, for example, you can set it on one of those gears and the truck will upshift to that specific gear. So this is what it's like to be behind the wheel for the Colorado. Really nice mid-sized truck. It would make for a great daily driver. Really good to see out from the driver's seat as well. You have a lot of visibility and a lot of nice tech. It is more on the simple side, but if you're not looking for an abundance of information to go through, you have a good bit that you can dive through with this truck. And again, several different options for the Colorado in general. This one having the Rocky Ridge package definitely adds quite a lot to the truck. If you're not looking to do some of those modifications yourself, you can get everything in one package right from the dealer. So it's a neat option to showcase and to see the Rocky Ridge package coming to the midsize platform. I have been able to film several of the full-size Chevrolet trucks with the Rocky Ridge packages. So it is mainly on some of the larger Silverados that I've been able to see. So it's neat to see it coming down to the Colorado here to give you another option if you're not looking for that full-size truck. But that's going to wrap it up for the 2026 Chevrolet Colorado Trail Boss. Once again, huge shout out to Randy Marion Chevrolet for providing this for me today. Take a look at the website, give this video a huge thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and consider smashing that subscribe button so you can stay up to date with our daily uploads. I will see you all in the next video.